Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make an intro for scratch. First, first we want to go to jitter.video and you want to sign in and go to templates and choose a template which you want to animate, and or you need to make your own, you can make that also. I'm choosing, icons, and choose any template you want. I'm choosing here. Yeah, this one. Progress by I'm choosing, and it will open. You want to remix that and edit your own way. Click duplicate to edit, and yeah, if you want to change the color, click on this pie, and there is color, no color. Yeah, go to export, choose your quality, and export it. Yeah, it started downloading. Make this as MP4. Okay. Yeah, good. Download and search for video to GIF converter and look for Zamzer and search here Zamzer. Yeah, click here and choose file. Yeah, progress file. It's not chosen yet. Yeah, convert now. It start upload and convert in. Yeah, click download. It start downloading. Yeah, then go to scratch and we want to create a new project. Click create and delete this sprite and click upload sprite, and yeah, look for progress by. Take sometimes to import. Let's wait. Yeah, go to costumes, check that every completed, go to code and set like this. When flag clicked forever, wait 1 second, not 1 second, 0.001 seconds, 0.001 seconds, 0.001 seconds, and next question. You can see here changing, and that's it. And you can add this for any game with your own logo or your own video and simple. That's it. You made an intro for your Scratch game or else animation. So that's it. Subscribe for more and click the bell icon and like, share and comment. That's it.